Hello guys, welcome to another video. So today we will be installing a read-only domain controller. So let's do that. So I'm gonna prepare the system before we promote to a read-only controller. So we usually set our time zone. So in my case, this is going to be Eastern. Okay. I'm gonna disable this enhanced security. I'm gonna set the static IP for this. Go to my network card, properties, IPv4. So I'm going to assign an IP address of 192.168.1.52. So the subnet mask is okay. The default gateway is going to be my router. And the DNS I'm going to point to my PDC. My case is 192.168.1.50. Click OK, click close, disable, enable, close, refresh. We'll check for connectivity. Okay, that's good. We have access to the internet. And next I'm going to change the name of this server. So I'm going to name it read-only domain controller 03. Okay. Okay, and then we need to restart this. Okay, let's log in. Okay, so next we are going to install Active Directory. So let's do that. Manage, add roles and features. Next, role base, next. We select our server, next. Active Directory domain services, add features, next, next, restart, yes, install. Okay, so we have installed Active Directory, so we can start promoting this server. So let's go, before I do this, let's join the domain, change domain. So just type in the name of your domain. In my case, this will be my local domain. Okay, username. Okay, so we have joined the domain. We probably had to restart this before we can promote it. So okay, close, and restart now. So here we have to log in properly. Remember, we had joined in the domain, so in my case I have to type in my domain name / administrator . Okay, so we have installed Active Directory. So let's promote this and make it a read-only domain controller. So in order to do that, we have to promote this, and then we have to add a domain controller to an existing domain. So what's happening here is looking for my PDC. It's establishing connection. So let's wait for it. Okay, so we have found our PDC, so we can click next. And here we can make it a read-only domain controller, so just click on it. So I'm going to be using the default site name. Just enter a password for the restore mode. Click on next. So here you can make changes, but I'm just gonna leave the defaults for the purposes of this video. You can delegate an administrator account. I'm just gonna leave it for the default. Accounts that are allowed to replicate password to the read-only domain controller. So I'm just gonna leave all these defaults. I'm just gonna click on next. And here, since I only have one domain controller, I can choose either one, but if you have more, then you have to specify. So I'm just gonna leave it as is. Click on next. You can change the location. I'm just gonna leave the defaults as well. Just click next. Review your configs. Click next. And it says our prerequisites are checked, passed successfully. So you click on install. Alrighty, so we have to log in properly. So remember, we have to make sure that you get your domain first and then your username. My case is administrator. And here is our read-only domain controller. So let's check our DNS settings. Let's check our forwarders. Reverse lookup zone, that's fine. Forward lookup zone, that's fine. The reason why you have this not available to change certain aging and scavenging, it's because this is a read-only domain controller, so you won't be able to make any changes from here. This is just for reading from the other domains or from the other controllers. So that's the purpose of it, just read only. Alright, that's why you have that area of DNS grayed out. And that's it, guys. This is a read-only domain controller on Windows Server 2016. If you find this video useful, just give us a like. This will help a lot the channel. Thanks for watching.